Welcome to the heart of your home, the dining area. A place where memories are made and moments are shared. Where laughter and love come together, surrounded by delicious food and warm company. A beautiful dining table is more than just a piece of furniture. It's the centerpiece of your home, where family and friends gather to connect and create. From sleek and modern to rustic and traditional, our dining table designs cater to every style and taste. Solid woods, rich textures, and attention to detail, every element comes together to create a warm and inviting space. Whether you're hosting intimate gatherings or large family reunions, our extendable dining tables adapt to your needs. Round, oval, or rectangular, our diverse shapes ensure there's a perfect fit for your unique space. And with stylish lighting options, your dining area transforms into a warm and welcoming ambience. Bring the indoors out, with our outdoor dining tables designed to withstand the elements and enhance your alfresco experience. Create unforgettable moments around the perfect dining table. Find your style, find your home.